Hi, thanks for watching. This is George with Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting and equipment. Something like you're looking at right now. What we've got here is a nice little pair of twin 2020 Ford Escape. Now this is the newest Escape style we've seen here. As you can see, the taillights might be slightly different than the 2019s, as well as the front grille has gotten an update as now also. Newer lower grille and a smoother upper grille that flows into the hood. What you can see that we've done on this pair right here for a simple engineering company local to us is we've got a Wicked Stick 6 head in the back window in the hatch. Now that's hatch mounted on both these vehicles. We've also got our LIN 6 in amber white synchronized on the front grille. The front grille is a little bit tricky to get a mount on, but our LIN 6 fits very nicely. And there are some photos at the end of the video about that mount. There are also some photos on the Wicked Stick in the back window as well. And I know everybody loves that flood mode. So, of course, we integrated it into both of these vehicles. When you need it, you can hit switch number 2 and you can steady white all 6 heads of that Wicked Stick and get some very good extra backup lighting, or if somebody happens to be tailgating you a little bit, you might want to turn that on and remind them to back off a little. Here's a little bit more off-axis view. As you can see, that linear 6 light certainly does a great job of displaying a proud and prominent amber and white flash pattern for these emergency vehicles. They do engineering, and they are on the side of active roads, so they need a very strong, adequate warning. And the colors here locally are amber and white. Now you can see we've turned off the flood mode on the left Escape there. Went right back into standard warning pattern. Oh, there will be some photos, but I always like to show you guys how we mounted in here. As you can see, there's no wires. All the wiring goes right through the factory boot and under the headliner. Everything is mounted very nicely and secure right there to the hatch with a nice bracket. Just a simple L bracket we fabbed up here in the shop. And of course, when the light is off, it pretty much disappears behind that light factory tint. So, as I said, thanks for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety lighting and strobe equipment for cars, trucks, vans, buses, and even little SUVs just like these. And if you'd like to get these products, take a look down in the Read More section of this video. It's in the description underneath the video, and you can get to it by clicking the little arrow that should be down in the lower corner of here, I believe. There should be a little arrow, and it'll open up a description of the video on YouTube. And in there, you'll find all kinds of nice links to these products and to our website. Our email will be listed there, so feel free to reach out to us. And thank you again for watching wickedwarnings.com, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting and equipment for cars, trucks, vans, buses, SUVs, bicycles, tricycles, and even some motorcycles. I'll see you in the next video.